All right, so this week for the final assignment, you have a rig that's fully functional, but it does not have any way to express itself in its face. So what we're going to do is we are going to create a single blend shape to just represent the wide and narrow of the mouth. So basically it looks like this. So it goes wide to narrow. Okay. Now, you could make something a lot more robust. You could make a whole series of blend shapes. That's typically what you would do. That would control the various aspects of the face. Basically, what you could do is you don't make a blend shape for each expression. Like you do not make one for happy and sad and angry, all those various things. What you do instead is you make blend shapes for different parts of the face. So, for instance, I would do the brow. I would go up and down. Inner brow up and down, outer brow up and down, maybe mid brow up and down. You could do the nose like sneer, not sneer. The mouth, you do wide, narrow. You do upper lip up, upper lip down. You could break those up too. So I could do this side, upper lip up, this side, upper lip down. And when I say down, I mean like basically purse, right? You could also do pucker, and you would do both sides. Okay. And you would just basically you would make a combination of a bunch of these, and by doing that, you could control each little individual aspect of that and then use a combination of each of those blend shapes to create all the different expressions that you have. But it'd be a lot more robust than just making singular expressions for each, or singular blend shape for each expression. I don't want to make you go through and make all of them. So typically, I'll mention this later, but I'll make somewhere around 60 blend shapes. That's just a lot of blend shapes. I don't feel like making you do all that. I want to make it this last week a little bit easier because I know you're getting barraged with a bunch of them. I'm just going to ask you to make a singular one like this. And once you know how to do this, you'll be able to, you could apply that same basic process to make the rest of the blend shapes. There's lots of documentation you can find online. This is one of those things that it is actually worth investing and putting your time into. If this is a craft that you think that you might want to pursue, if this area of 3D is something of interest to you, I would just go ahead and do some research. I mentioned it later, but the Stop Staring by Jason Osipa is a good resource. It's a book that you can use. I don't think it's too expensive, probably like $20. But it's a good book. So you can use that if you really want to explore this area more specifically. But that's all we're going to do. So you just make that one blend shape. I just want to see you do it, really. It should be a pretty easy lab. And then you are done in the course. So congrats.